Hey folks, welcome to another episode of Python Shorts, where we give you a short Python tutorial. Today we're going to talk about lists and how to index them. So a list, you can basically just give any name, just like a variable. We're going to say y equals, and then we're going to have a 3, a 1.0, and we're going to have the word mountain, because why not? Who doesn't like mountains? So what you'll notice is that this first one is an integer, the second one is a float, and the third one is a string. And so that's the beauty of lists. It doesn't really matter. They don't all have to be the same. So now if we print our list, it's going to print all three. So if you want to access a specific part of your list, what you can do is say y. One thing to note here in Python is that the first element of a list is always element 0. So instead of going 1, 2, and 3, it's going to go 0, 1, and 2. So if we want to print our 3, we would say print y0. So that just prints our 3. If we want to print our 1, which is the second element, we'll do a 1. And if we want to print mountain, we'll do 2. Alright, that's all I've got for you guys today. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thanks.